Hey guys, it's been a long time probably coming. This car got put on the back burner, but I had some guys on YouTube asking for a bit of a follow-up video on the roof that got reskinned. So obviously I worked on it quite a while ago and wrapped it up. Lots of hours just filling and getting the seams right here perfect and right here. I think it turned out pretty good. Still needs a tiny bit of work before it is complete. But unfortunately, this car kind of got put on the back burner just due to some other projects. So back at it and trying to get it wrapped up because this one's going to go for sale. So yeah, this was the roof skin that got redone. And yeah, I mean, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm by no means an expert, as I stated in the first video, but just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. Got some other little patchwork and just little stuff that needed to be cleaned up before it gets wrapped. I am going to be wrapping this car, not painting it, just because I'm better at wrapping than I am at painting. And here's the color. It's called Hot Rod Red, or no, Dragonfire. I think it's called Dragonfire Red. So that's what the whole car is going to be. And yeah, I just wanted to do a little update video. I'm kind of getting told to film some more stuff and try to put it on YouTube. So I'm by no means going to be religious about uploads and that type of stuff, but anybody that wants to take a gander at it can. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on the progress. So thanks for tuning in.
Second, I know you